Hello everyone, today I introduce to you a vertical bank saw machine, model YMJ3212. It is very popular for sale in our company. In this video, we can clearly see that our workers are showing the machine's complete operation process for us. This machine's max log cutting diameter is 1000 millimeters. Its sawmill diameter is 1250 millimeters. It needs to be used with a saw blade when it works, and the saw blade width is 150 millimeters. This band saw machine is generally used with log carriage. This machine is equipped with a motor with a power of 37 kW. And the motor provides power for the saw wheel to rotate. According to the size and hardness of the wood you need to saw, we can also replace it with a 45 kW motor. In addition, we have installed electronic buttons to control the lift of the saw wheels and saw guides. This can save labor and time. If you have other information, you can also consult me. I will answer for you in time.